In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in an Amazon app. We will go through each screen together so you can follow along easily. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. When the app loads, you should see the Amazon logo at the top and a home screen with products or a welcome page. If the app takes a moment to start, just wait until everything finishes loading so all buttons and links are visible. Once the app is open, tap Sign In, or if you see the message Already a Customer Sign In, tap that. You will usually find this near the bottom of a welcome screen or at the top right if you are on the home page. After you tap it, the app will switch to a sign-in screen with fields ready for your details so you know you are in the right place. Now enter your email address or mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. Type slowly and check for small mistakes like missing letters or an extra space at the end. On this screen, Amazon often shows a hint such as email or mobile number so you can be sure you are filling in the correct box. If you use a phone number, enter it the same way you added it to your account. Next, tap Continue. When you do, the app will check if the email or phone number matches an existing Amazon account. The screen will change to a password page, usually still showing your email or phone above the password box, so you can confirm you typed the right account. If the email or number is not recognized, the app will show a clear error message instead. After that, enter your password. Take a moment and watch the characters as you type, even if they appear as dots. Many beginners forget a capital letter or a number that is part of the password. If there is a small option to show the password, you can use it briefly to make sure it looks correct. Then hide it again for privacy. Then tap Sign In. The app will process for a moment. If the password is correct, you will be moved back into the Amazon app, usually to the home screen with personalized recommendations, your name near the top, and the cart icon showing at the bottom or top of the screen. That is how you know the sign-in worked. For your security, Amazon may now ask you to complete verification. On many phones, a new screen appears explaining what is needed, so read it for a second before you continue. One option is to enter a one-time password sent by text message or email. When this happens, Amazon shows a field waiting for a code and a short message telling you where the code was sent. Open your messages or email, find the Amazon code, then type it in exactly and the app will continue automatically or after a small confirm button. Another option is to approve the sign-in using your two-step verification method. In that case, you might see instructions to use an authenticator app or approve a notification. Follow the prompt on the screen, and once you confirm, the Amazon app will finish logging you in without needing to restart the process. You might also be asked to use a passkey such as Face ID, Touch ID, Fingerprint, or your device PIN if you have set one up for your Amazon account. When this appears, your phone will show its usual biometric or PIN screen, just like when you unlock the device. Once you pass that check, you will land back inside the Amazon app and be fully signed in. You have now logged into the Amazon Shopping app using your existing Amazon account, ready to browse and order. If this walkthrough helped you get signed in smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Amazon app guides.